my name's Lynn.
And I'm Jessica, and we're from the Strathpine Library.
Thank you for joining us today for Rhyme Time. We've got some very cool ones for you today.
We do. Some new ones.
Some new ones. We thought we've had a bit of weather lately, so we've thrown in a couple of weather rhymes. I don't know whether you'll know these ones. See what I did there? But we can share them with you and you can join in as you go along. So we start off by saying we at the library would like to acknowledge the Turrbal people,
The traditional custodians, and thank them for sharing this land.
We say here's the land, here is the sky, here are my friends, and here am I. Oh, well done. Okay, we're going to sing a welcome song. So have you got your happy hands ready? Because we love these songs and we're always happy. And we hope you are too. Are you ready? We count to three. We go 1, 2, 3. Hi, hello, and how are you? How are you? How are you? Hi, hello, and how are you? How are you today? Well, that was easy, wasn't it?
It was.
Yeah.
Everyone looks fabulous today too.
Oh, that's just said you look good. So we're going to do some tickling now.
Tickling.
Where do you want to start?
The toes.
Start at the toes, then the,
Nose.
then the,
Tummy.
and arms go
High
to
first.
start with. Are you ready? Let's go. A tickle for your toes, a tickle for your nose, a tickle for your tummy where the watermelon goes. Arms go high, arms go low, a great big hug to say hello. Hello everybody. Thanks again for joining us.
Yes.
Okay, rhyme time is very, very important for young people, isn't it?
It is. Yep, the first 5 years, all the brain connections.
Yeah, they're singing, reading, rhymes every day.
Yeah, even a newspaper clipping. They
Even
don't
a
care.
newspaper clipping. It's all really great for their early literacy skills. So we're not just here for fun. Well, we are really.
We are. We enjoy it.
So we're going to sing some weather songs now, and we're going to start with Rain, Rain, Go Away. We'll do it through nice and slowly, and then we'll do it again with you, and you should know the words by then.
Yeah.
Are you ready? We go 1, 2, 3, and we sing Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. All the children want to play. Rain, rain, go away. Yay! Okay,
right.
are you ready for that one?
Oh, yeah.
Let's jump
We'll do
in
it again.
puddles. 1, 2, 3. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. All the children want to play. Rain, rain, go away. Yay!
I like that.
That was it. It was a bit rainy today.
Oh, do you like thunder?
Ooh, sometimes it's a bit scary.
It can be.
Yeah, sometimes it's a bit exciting though.
Yes. It makes nice lights and stuff in the sky.
Oh, yeah. So we're going to think, I hear thunder. We'll do it through nice and slowly as we do the first time, and then you can join in again the second time with us. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. I hear thunder, I hear thunder, oh don't you, oh don't you. Pitter patter raindrops, I'm wet through, so are you. Is that too mean to laugh at somebody else being wet?
Not if you're wet.
Oh, it's a bit of fun, isn't it?
Yes.
Let's do that again. 1, 2, 3. I hear thunder, oh don't you, oh don't you. Pitter patter raindrops, I'm wet through, so are you.
It means we're having lots of fun when the rain. When
we
we get
forgot
wet.
our umbrellas, it's all
Exactly.
good. So who else is out in the rain?
Oh, Incy Wincy. Our
Incy
spiders
Wincy.
that are outside.
Oh, goodness me.
They
Incy-
travel through lots of weather though.
They do.
Rain, snow.
But Incy Wincy particularly gets caught in the rain.
He does.
Okay, so we'll sing about that.
I think so.
Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Incy Wincy Spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed poor Incy out. Out came the sunshine and dried up all the rain. So Incy Wincy Spider climbed up the spout again. What about in the tree?
Oh, yes.
Let's go. Incy Wincy Spider was climbing up a tree. Down came the snow and made poor Incy freeze. Out came the sunshine and melted all the snow. So Incy Wincy Spider had another go. Good on you, Incy.
Oh, I think so.
Try again.
Luckily, our spiders, I don't think are going to have to worry about snow, but
Oh, well,
you never know.
stranger things have happened. Okay, now if we're talking about snow, what else is in the cold?
Ooh, I like the little penguins.
Penguins.
Yes.
Fluffy penguins.
Yes, so what other type of penguins are there other than fluffy penguins?
Okay, so this is to the tune of Do Gloomp, said the little green frog. Instead of that, we're doing Snug Hug with the fluffy penguin one day. So
But do they really go snug hug?
We'll find out. So we'll go through nice and slowly, and then you can join in the second one. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Snug hug went the fluffy penguin one day. Snug hug went the fluffy penguin. Snug hug went the fluffy penguin one day, and they all went snug hug hug. But we all know penguins go flippy flappy flap, flippy flappy flap, flippy flappy flap. We all know penguins go flippy flappy flap. They don't go snuggy hug hug. Are you ready for this one? Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Snug hug went the fluffy penguin one day. Snug hug went the fluffy penguin. Snug hug went the fluffy penguin one day, and they all went snuggy hug hug. But we all know penguins go flippy flappy flap, flippy flappy flap, flippy flappy flap. We all know penguins go flippy flappy flap. They don't go snuggy hug hug. Yay!
Great flapping out there.
I'm in a bit of a flap after that one.
Yes.
Sorry. So we're going to go round and around the garden,
Ooh.
but we're doing it differently this time. We're playing in the rain.
Oh, who doesn't like going in the rain and jumping in puddles?
Jumping in puddles is so much fun.
Yes.
So let's go round and around the garden. Are you ready? Round and round the garden, playing in the rain. 1 jump, 2 jumps, into the puddle again. Shall we do it on the other side?
I think so.
Round and round the garden, playing in the rain. 1 jump, 2 jump, into the puddle again. Yay! That was a nice quick one for you.
Yes. Oh, it's my favourite time of day.
Jess is ready to dance.
I'm ready.
Are you ready to dance? You going to join in us?
Dance some wiggles out.
Let's do it. 1, 2, 3. Mama's little baby loves dancing, dancing. Mama's little baby loves turning round. Mama's little baby loves dancing, dancing. Mama's little baby loves to boogie down. Lean to the left, lean to the right. Hug that baby nice and tight. Lean to the left, lean to the right. Hug that baby nice and tight. Mama's little baby loves dancing, dancing. Mama's little baby loves turning round. Mama's little baby loves dancing, dancing. Mama's little baby loves to boogie down. Yay! Boogieing down.
Yes.
Time for a bit of twinkling.
Yes, your favourite song.
My favourite song
Yes.
this time. Nice and slow.
Jazz hands.
We're having our twinkling jazz hands ready. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Let's go. 1, 2, 3.
Twinkle,
twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Wow!
It's so lovely. I think we have to do it again.
Again.
Yes.
One more time.
One more time.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Well, Jess, I think we've run out of time.
Again.
Yeah, it went really fast, didn't it?
It does. We have a lot of fun. So,
We
time
do have a lot
flies.
of fun, and we hope you've enjoyed yourself as much as we have.
Definitely.
Okay, we're going to do a bit more tickling to finish off with.
Yes, please.
We're going to start with the
Toes.
then the nose, then the tummy, where that watermelon goes.
Which way did the arm go?
Arms go low to start with. Are you ready?
Yes.
Let's go. 1, 2, 3.
A tickle for your toes. A tickle for your nose.
A tickle for your tummy where the watermelon goes. Arms go low, arms go high. A great big hug to say goodbye. Oh my goodness. We've got to sing our goodbye song.
Yes.
Can you join in with
We'll
us?
use our happy hands.
We've got our happy hands. Are you ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3.
Goodbye,
goodbye. We'll see you soon. See you soon. See you soon. Goodbye, goodbye. We'll see you soon. See you another day. Thanks for joining
Thank
us for
you.
a long time.
See you very soon.
Yeah.